Greetings everybody, welcome to another episode of Chef Will's Weekend Throwdown. This is episode 16 and we're switching it up a bit. For my first time and last time listeners, just thank you guys for tuning in. It's always a pleasure for you rocking with me. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe. Guys, we are here in Texas, Fort Worth to be exact. And I just want to do something special with you guys and show you how I got all my inspiration from. This is an addition for my family and my parents. Today, we're going to be learning from my pops, Willie Schuler Jr. He'll be making barbecue wings. Our guest, sir.
How you doing, folks? Welcome to Texas.
We're going to show you how to get some barbecue wings done. What other way than getting it from the goat himself. Just going to show you how to get it done. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for rocking with us. Let's get cooking.
Nobody likes raw chicken. So we'll put it in the oven. For about a half an hour, 45 minutes. And then it should be ready to go on the grill.
Be sure to tune in next week. If you haven't already, please be sure to like, share, subscribe. You know the motto. Episode 16, barbecue wings. Chef Will Schuler Jr., the GOAT. This is third. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Love you, Pops.
Love you, son.
Always. Spices, how to get your sauces together. So that when was a point that you wanted to dip into different using different